Okay, me and my compatriots are on a mission to see what people think about UAH and engineering, and here we go. Joe, what do you think about UAH, man? This is for a senior project. We're just trying to get people's feelings of what they think about UAH and engineering. I know you have an Oxford shirt on. What does that say? Oxford? Yes. Oxycutum? Oxycutum?
Yeah, it's Oxford.
Oxford.
And,
okay. What do you think about UAH? What have you heard about UAH?
Well, UAH, it has a good gym. I go there regularly, and I got my jet there.
Right. Well, besides that, hold on a second. Besides that, what do you think about engineering specifically at UAH? Not just UAH, engineering at UAH.
Well, I've never been to engineering at UAH, but engineering in general is a fun course. And
yeah, it's a good university, and I'm getting the education that I'm paying for.
Yes, sir.
Top notch.
Awesome. Find it satisfying and fulfilling, and the classes are challenging, and it's worth the time and the expense. Awesome.
Well, I like UAH because it's get to live with my folks. Get to save money.
Awesome, man. Awesome.
And I get to drive.
Right.
I don't know. Totally derailed trains of thought.
Right. I understand, man. I know. Tell me the truth, man. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth.
It's a tough university. It's quite interesting.
Okay.
A lot of professors here really love what they do. You can tell the materials they give, especially some exams they give.
Yes, sir.
It's not a hand-me-free ride. I like it.
What about specifically computer architecture? That's kind of what we're going at. You know how hardware works inside that phone you were just checking right there, wherever that phone is. How the hardware works inside there. How that's facilitated. You can get on the cell network and talk and view pictures. What is the relevance of that? What do you think about that?
Well, I think you're using a lot of big words, and
but there's still things going on. There's still like hardware concepts and how the CPU talks and software and all that wonderful stuff that's going on in that phone.
Yeah, and I appreciate it, and if that's what the course you're talking about does, then I'm all for it.
Good stuff, man. Hey, I appreciate that, man. Thank you. This video is for computer hardware, and do you have any interest with respect to hardware, like what goes on inside the cell phones or the tablets to make it work? Or what are your interests with respect to engineering?
My interest in respect to engineering is that I'm a computer engineer.
Awesome.
I like to work with hardware and software.
Awesome. What is your preference, hardware or software? What do you prefer?
That's a tough choice.
They're both cool.
Yes.
I like them both.
I would have to say hardware.
All right. Awesome. Thanks, man.
Alright.
All right. What about computer architecture? What about that you find fascinating?
Well, I've always done stuff with computers. Like since I was a kid, I remember putting a website together with my dad when I was 6, and I guess since then I've always liked computers, like coding. Made websites in high school, writing stuff, PHP, software kind of standpoint is where I got into it, but that's fallen into the hardware stuff.
All right, man. That sounds great. Thank you very much. What do you think about computer architecture, in particular, how hardware interacts with software, like your cell phone or tablet? What are your thoughts about that?
I see a lot of that in my field of trade. I specialize in electronic parts of the car.
Good stuff.
I do like it a lot. I wouldn't be in this major if I didn't like it at all. I think it's pretty cool.
Thanks a lot, man. Thank you. I'm not really a big, I'm not really a big liberal arts guy. I'm a technical person. I just know too many people with liberal arts degrees who are barely meeting their needs. So I wanted to do something that I enjoyed and also do something that pays for it.
I don't know. Totally derailed trains of thought.
Right, I understand, man.